Gonna keep you long, just a few minutes.
Who am I looking to? Yeah.
Stadium managed by CEO Bertie Robler. You are the landlord today. Everything is beautiful. The stand behind you now is written Amstel, and the billboard there it says Orlando Amstel Arena, which was known as Orlando Stadium. Take us to the change.
Yes, Timba, the significance of today is different to other sporting codes, rugby, cricket, where the clubs or the teams own the venue. With football, it's different. In our instance at Orlando Stadium, there's been an agreement where Orlando Stadium uses, Orlando Pirates uses this venue as their home venue. But the venue rights, such as naming rights and branding and advertising rights, that's not allocated to the home team, still sits with the venue. Now, in the normal context, that created problems and it limited commercial opportunities. Because as a venue, you don't want to engage with a commercial partner that's in conflict with the home club's sponsors and commercial partners. And as I said, that limited the opportunities. In this instance, the broader agreement sits between Orlando Pirates and Amstel. Nothing to do with the venue, nothing to do with stadium management as the venue authority. In these discussions, it came about where the party said, but let's extend this to include the club sponsor as a venue sponsor as well. And that's how it came about, that the club with their sponsor, the venue with their naming rights sponsor are all of a sudden aligned now. Now, the commercial opportunities that unlocks is massive and meaningful.
You manage Orlando Stadium, FNB, Dobsonville Stadium, and Rand Stadium. Okay, let's forget about Rand Stadium for now. How much of the pleasure that gives you that you've got a big brand like Amstel coming on board? Would you say, under your watch, what's next? Looking at this having kickstarted the whole partnership with their brand.
What gives me a lot of satisfaction is that gives us the opportunity to enhance spectator experience. It gives us the revenue to ensure that we maintain venues to its tip-top condition. At Orlando Stadium, you can see at one point last year it was referred to as the Patco bus, the seats. Look what we managed to do here, and to do that you need revenue, you need to generate income to do proper maintenance, and that gives me the excitement that we can now implement innovative ideas for a fan when he arrives at the venue to say, and the word home was used a lot today. Yeah, I feel at home here. This is a maintained venue and my experience here is of a top class.
Message to the Honorable Dr. Khoza on his birthday. You gave us beautiful tribute there on the stage.
Yes, and it's so fitting that the launch and the rebirth of Orlando Stadium is actually on his birthday. From stadium management side, and I can speak on behalf of the city of Joburg as the custodian of the agreement, and SAIL, our commercial partner. A very happy birthday to Dr. Owen Khoza, a visionary, a leader, and somebody that a lot of people look up to, and somebody that played a significant role in where football are today, and still is playing a significant role on where football is headed. So, Dr. Khoza, a very happy birthday to you. God bless, and may you be spared for us for a long time still. Enjoy the day with your family and your loved ones.
Thank you so much, my good sir. You are a star. Thank you so much, baby.